So in this lesson we're going to be talking about naming your rescue dog. Sometimes your dog has come with a name that they already know, or sometimes their name has recently been changed. Often or not, when dogs come into rescue, there's no background information known on the dog, so often or not we don't know their name. If you are fostering a dog, you will need to check with the rescue that you are able to change their name. By changing your dog's name, you are giving them a new identity and ridding your rescue dog of any conditioned responses. For example, some dogs, they don't listen to their name at all because it's been overused in so many different scenarios, so they switch off. So sometimes by giving them a new name, you can teach them to respond to that name. Reflex to name will help in building up a response to their name, making it fun and rewarding to you both, as well as making the rescue dog truly yours. When we say our dog's name, we want their attention to immediately be on us so that we can then give them the next cue.